equipo, la habitación en sí. Estaba viendo a Pierre McKinnon con Allen Palander, gran plática. ¿Y qué onda, chicos? Bienvenidos a Hvar, Croacia, un lugar fantástico con muchas playas. So it happened again. Just like in Rome, most of the clips that I shot in Hvar were completely ruined by that defect in the neutral density filter. However, you guys aren't missing much because in Hvar I didn't do anything too exciting. Instead, I took 3 entire days to relax and recharge. You know that traveling around from hostel to hostel, sleeping in small bunk beds, and walking around all day really takes a toll. Instead, I rented out this very nice apartment with a very comfy bed, a nice kitchen to eat some healthy food for once, and I just enjoyed the Adriatic Sea and this very peaceful and lovely island. And after enjoying some peace and quiet in Hvar, the next stop was Corčula, a beautiful, medieval and very magical town down the coast in the Adriatic.